Yeah, what's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a stunning profile picture with a very beautiful background without using any app. Now let's go. You can use any browser. So in this video, I'll be using Chrome browser. If you open a Chrome browser, you can just come here and search for PFP Maker. PFP Maker. Now you click the first link here. Now you just scroll down and click this plus icon, this positive icon here. It will take you to your file gallery, your file manager, of which you will select the picture you want to beautify. Click done. Give it a few seconds for the browser to load. Just a few seconds. Just few seconds. As you can see, here are the video, the pictures. Here are the pictures. You can just click on any of these pictures now to download. As you can see, you can just click on the green button here to download. The picture here is download. Let's download this one again. Download. Let's download this one again. Now let's check our gallery to see the downloaded pictures. Now here are the pictures here. The last one here is the original file that we uploaded. Here are the designed pictures here. It's a very beautiful background here. That will be all for now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.